Here we are at 2790 Fairwood Drive, 3-car garage, and I'm going to walk in the front door. This home, the asking price is $608,000. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And here is the front room, living room, maybe a formal dining room. Kind of walk through here. And over on the left is one of the bedrooms with the glass doors. We'll walk in here. Here's what I call the family room. It has a fireplace, gas fireplace, and then a dining room, new appliances, or newer appliances, I should say, stainless steel. Here's the kitchen. Walk through this way. Upgraded cabinets, etc. I'll walk down the hallway towards the bedrooms. There's a hall closet here. And then we go into, this is the master bedroom, which has a sliding door to the back patio, and kind of a huge master bedroom. Has like a nook for reading, whatever you want to do. Okay, we'll try to go in the bathroom. You'll see me. Hello. Guess I should have looked professional today, huh? Anyway, so here's the bathroom. Here's the walk-in closet. And we'll walk back out to the master. We'll walk down the hallway. And on the left is bathroom number 2. And go down the hallway. Continuing on the left is another bedroom that also has doors to the living room. Let's see, just walls over here. We'll go across the hallway to the 3rd bedroom. And then we'll go into the laundry room. And the laundry room has a sink in here behind the door. Then out to the garage. So it's a 3-car garage. The larger size has a remote control, lift and all that. On the right, it's you have to pick it up by hand. There's the water heater and the furnace. Okay, and then we'll go out the side yard and go over here. It's a newer air conditioner. And go down this sidewalk here. We're looking east, and there's the new freeway, the Veterans Parkway, and the mountains. And then here is the back patio. That's the doors to the master bedroom. We'll walk onto this side. So there's a water feature down here. It's not a water feature, it's the water. I don't know what the water is. I have to look that one up. And then here's the patio doors to the dining room, kitchen area. And then we'll end up on the side. And we'll go back this way and go back out to the front where we started. So this is a pretty nice house. It's in a real quiet neighborhood, and it's at the end of Fairwood Drive. It's at the end, so you don't have a lot of cross traffic. Apparently a dog likes to bark. And I'll walk back out to the front door here. And come out the garage. And we're, see, as you can see, we're at the end of the cul-de-sac. And there's the road there. So thank you for watching, and you have a good day.